baby.
Hello.
Azine said she'll be going back to school next tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how much is her school fees this time?
It's 150,000 naira.
Okay.
And she said her house rent is expired. She needs to renew it.
Alright. How much did we pay the last time?
Her house rent was 250,000 naira. So let's say 500,000 naira is going to cover up for everything, including her foodstuffs.
Okay, alright.
Thanks, baby. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too, Mom.
And again, baby.
Yeah.
I have a wedding for the end of the month.
Okay.
And we are buying a CB.
Oh.
Yes. It's going to cost 200.
200 naira.
Babe, try this 200 naira. Even if it's handkerchief for this country now, you can't even see it for 200 naira. What are you saying?
How much is it, babe?
Baby, it's 200,000 naira. And I want you to buy for two.
Why?
Baby, it's Martha. You know she isn't married, and her new job is not fast paying. So I told her I would beg you to pay for hers, please.
Okay. It's okay, I'll pay.
You're going to pay for two? Yeah. Thank you so much, baby. I love you so much. You never said no to me.
I love you too, yeah.
Thanks, honey. I appreciate, okay?
Yeah.
I love you, silly.
I love you too.
Forever. Thanks, baby.
It's okay.
I appreciate this.
I'll do everything for you, okay?
I know. And I'll do everything for you too. I love you. Forever.
Love you too, yeah.
Forever together.
And let me just... I'm coming. Let me get to the living room.
Baby, why are you sweating so hard? The AC is on.
Yeah, it's okay.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
But why are you going to the sitting room?
I'll join you soon. Let me just...
I need you right now, okay?
Oh. I'm coming. Okay?
Alright, baby. You sure you're fine?
Yeah.
Alright, honey. I'm waiting.
Yeah, sure. Go.
Oh my God, baby, thank you so much. Let me call this witch. Okay. Madam, pick now. Hi, witch. Good news. My husband has accepted to pay for 2 Asoebi materials. Of course. Yes, he never says no to me. Amen, amen. God will keep blessing him. Alright, okay, sis. It's fine. Amen. Thank you. Bye, good night. What's the problem, sir? Are you okay? Uncle Joe.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
So are you alright?
Nothing is all right. Nothing is fine with me right now. Everything is upside down. My goods are with the customs. Mama needs a kidney transplant. And you are expected to go back to school in the next 2 days. My wife, your sister, needs money for Ashwebi and that of her friend. In all of this, I do not have up to 100,000 naira in my bank account.
Is my sister aware of all this?
No, she's not. You know how your sister can be.
No, Uncle. You need to speak with her. She is your wife. She can't be demanding for Ashebi when you have pressing issues to attend to.
Yeah. I wish I had the courage to speak with her, but I cannot.
Uncle Joe, you know I can help you do that. That is, if you don't mind.
No, I mind. I mind. You don't have to speak with her. I would. I'll talk to her when the time comes.
Uncle Joe, you see, every man goes through difficult times. But it is your ability to stand tall over the situations that matters. Uncle Joe, I believe in you. You're a strong man. And I am confident that you're going to come out of all this. Okay, just be strong. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Uncle Joe, you need to go and sleep right now, please. It's late. You need to sleep. Okay?
It's okay. You can run along. You can go sleep.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Make sure you sleep. It's very necessary. Okay? Good night.
Yeah. Isn't it? Where are you going?
I'm going back to school.
Monday is tomorrow.
Yes.
And my husband hasn't given me your school fees and house rent money. So.
Don't worry. He already gave me the money.
What?
Yes, he did.
But he usually does that through me.
Well, maybe he did not want to disturb you this time.
Sister, take care of yourself, okay? Mama?
Don't forget what I told you. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Well, take care of yourself. Oh. Very important.
I know.
Sister.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
May God be with you. Oh?
Thank you, Mama. When Uncle Joe comes back, send my regards.
Okay.
Mommy,
Hmm?
why would my husband give her money directly?
Stella, don't bother yourself. Hmm? You bother so much. It's fine. It's fine.
Babe, why will you give her money without letting me know?
Give who money?
My sister, of course.
I don't understand.
What is there not to understand?
I guess she's talking about the money you gave to her sister for school fees and rent.
Oh, yes, school fees and rent, right? Oh, babe, I just decided to give it to her this time around.
Really? I see. This is the only thing you feel like doing differently in this house. Babe.
She said...
Mama, what's going on?
She said that she felt pity for you after having that conversation with her last night. So she decided to go back to school without anything until things get well with you again.
But I did not give that girl a dime.
I know. She's just trying to be considerate.
Good evening, Uncle Joe.
Isn't it? Thank you.
You are welcome, sir.
I will never forget what you did for me today. I promise you, I will never forget it.
It's fine, Uncle. Take care of yourself and my sister. Miracle is on the way.
Amen.
See this murder case that we have been working on. Yeah, that case is eating me up for. I swear to God. I mean, when it looks like we are almost close to closing the case, you just need some new evidences from nowhere coming, and then boom, we're starting all over again. Yeah. It's really eating me up. I mean, I've not been on any case that has been this stressful for a very long time. I don't know what else to do with that case. I don't tire for that case. It's eating me up. Eh? Hi. As in, if I feel serious, I take come on my hand for that case. I don't remove one tete. So I don't feel like you. I'll find a guy. Where you go?
Waiting.
I mean, where did you go? Where were you?
You trying to say where I go? No be high distance. Which kind of talk?
How you go say you did hear? I am very sure you didn't hear a thing from the whole thing I have said here. Eh? What's wrong now? What's in the happen? What's it in New York?
My brother, situation just tire me. Everything is draining me and sapping all my energy.
What is it? Is it about your Godson and mama surgery?
It's been 1 month, my brother. Yes, it's been over a month and nothing has happened. Over a month and nothing has happened. The commissioner has given me an ultimatum. Supply those computers by the end of the month or we will award the contract to somebody else. Where am I supposed to get 12 million naira from before the end of the month?
So I'm true.
You overtook, my brother. Where?
What about the ring?
What ring?
Stella's ring, your wife.
Okay, what about it?
Bro, that ring is worth 30 million naira. Do you remember now? Don't you buy them? You can get that, you can put that ring up for sale and get an upward amount of about 20 million or even more. With that, you will sort your problems with the customer and do mama's surgery at ease. I think now. Yeah, use your head.
Steve, wait. Wait, so all this way they talk. Are you in any way suggesting that I should sell my wife's wedding ring?
That's exactly what I'm saying. I put water for mouth to the talker.
Where did this idea come out from?
Oh, well, from a brain that is seeking solution for his friend.
Steve, I know you're concerned about me.
Thank God you know.
Yeah, I know that, but please, don't go there again. Don't talk that kind of thing again, I beg. Man, no verse for you, I just go beg you.
What?
Don't go there again, I'm telling you.
Why would you tell me not to go there?
Why would you even suggest? Why would you open your mouth to tell me that I should sell my wife's wedding? Do you know what that ring means to her?
Why not if not? You can't be here killing yourself while your wife is having solution to your problem on her finger. Think now, you know be Dundee now, you know be Dollard now. Think. I mean, you can sell that ring for a good amount of money. You fix your problem with the custom, do mama's surgery, and still have more change in your pockets to sort other problems. Eh? I mean, if you later decide that you want to get her another ring, you can do that from the money you make from your supplies. You know, some of us support that your 30 million naira ring go. But if your mind tells you say you want to do that kind of nonsense, you will still do them. But first of all, use what you've got to get what you want. I mean, fix yourself, fix your problems. Okay? Shouldn't be your wife does to your wife that.
Okay. Let's say I buy this weird idea of yours. How am I supposed to convince Stella to part with her ring? You and I know how much she prides herself in that ring.
You don't really have to convince her. I mean, there are ways we go about these things. All we need is a decoy ring.
A decoy ring? What do you mean by that?
There's this guy I know in town who can, make exact copy of anything you give him, anything concerning jewels. All we need is to get a picture of this ring you have, or, if you tell him about the ring, and he will make the exact copy. I mean, if they bring this ring and the fake, she will find it difficult to even differentiate between the two. I bet you she will not even find out. She will not know. Swap this thing, sell the other one, get the money, solve your problems. If you have excess money, you think you want to get another ring, you buy another one. Besides, me, I no first support that your 30 million naira ring. But if you think you want to replace it, it's fine. You get the money from your supplier, you do that. Hello, Abdul, they come down now, eh? We don't there for how long? Waka, come down now, make we do this thing. I beg, hurry up, hurry up.
Okay, detective.
Abdul, how far now?
I never steal anything, but I never no stealing item for myself.
No worry, I no come arrest you. Come.
What thing can carry me on now?
The girl thing I want to show you. Just hold on. Okay. See this ring? No worry. See what thing I show you. I want me you picture and wear. Look and wear. You see this ring? You see how I want this exact kind of ring. Exactly, make anything no different.
Exactly this one.
Exactly,
I never see a Z top for this ring. And what this company carry? They aren't the cost bar.
But is it possible for you to get this exact time? Even if is it possible to make it?
It's possible. Nothing is not possible. I want to pocket eye.
Like how much?
Can I tell you 100,000?
Abdul, waiting to worry you. How about a general price now? I mean, one can they do that, give that kind of price? How much you go take do one for me?
Like for you, I go do 200,000. Now let's forever, another one down.
Well, it's okay as long as we can get this exact type. I don't mind. And then he's also able to sell the original one. You know?
Well, I get the original one.
The original one, day.
Come! Well, I can sell it. Amaka will give me time, pa. I'll give me time.
Like how long?
Like 2-3 weeks. Unless you go on, go sell and cheap, pa.
Hello.
Aye.
Anything less than 20 million naira, a kobo less, I am not selling.
I tell you, go take time, pa. Because that ring now, why does see everything one ring?
How about the fake one, the copy? Why want me to do? When I go get that one?
I don't want that tomorrow. I'm aware I go get my money.
You will get your money now.
I don't want to transfer, I'll give on cash.
No problem. I will just use the ATM and give you your
I said no kuma anything I go set down, I go give me like 5%, pa.
5%?
Even when I was the original.
Abdul 2%.
Kwa, I know they do.
You know they do 2%?
I know they do. But who paying that person?
Hey, how far that woman? You remember that woman where they steal a wedding ring for a wedding? We be saying now inside your shop now we see the wedding ring. You know that case? I never close them properly.
I never close them.
I never close them. No, we never close that case. So I just still go.
No, for only 2%.
Okay, go down 2% now.
I'll go do.
2% is okay for you?
I don't have choice. I don't have choice.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Right now. How long it will take to get?
Tomorrow now I'll go get them. Why go send me my money? But when I go get them, my money.
If we'll give you your money now. No, that was not a problem.
Baby, what's up with it, Ola? It's over 1 month now and nothing has been done yet. I don't know why it's taking time. I mean, getting someone who is ready to sell up their kidney for 5 million naira in this country shouldn't be difficult.
Well, I spoke to the doctor and he said nothing has come up yet. They have not been able to find a donor. However, he assured me that before the end of next month, that he will give us good news.
He should though. He has to be fast about it because I am not ready to raise a child alone.
What do you mean by raise a child alone?
Yes, now. I don't have a mother. Because raising a child is between Mama and I. God forbid, should anything happen to her, how will I take up the responsibilities? I mean, everything is going to be down on me.
Oh, I see. So, you and Mama are very good when it comes to raising children. But you don't think I can help you raise a child? Why?
Baby, what are you even saying? What are you talking about? You that is barely around. When will you have time to leave office, to come back home, to help me babysit a child?
Why are we even talking about the child?
That is because we are expecting one.
You're pregnant.
Yes.
You're pregnant?
Yes. Why is this old man so excited?
Mama, come. Good. Look at this lady very well. Queen Afia. Amaka Obi. Very good. She's going to be having a child very soon, and she will make you a grandmother. Wonderful. Me. The first happiness.
Congrats. Thank you, Mom.
This is beautiful. This is so nice. My goodness.
Baby.
My love. Oh. Congratulations in advance, my love.
Thank you, baby. So, baby, tell me.
Yes, my love.
Where are we going to have this baby?
Do you think this is the right thing to do?
Mama, I do not know if this is the right thing to do. But this is my only option. You heard her. There's a baby on the way. I cannot let things get worse. And the commissioner is threatening that if I don't make the supplies by the end of the month, they will award the contract to somebody else.
I understand. But don't you think you should talk to her instead of trying to steal it? After all, you are her husband. And your problems are her problems too.
I know my wife. It will break her if I tell her. And the ring I'm swapping this for is not cheap either. It doesn't come cheap. I promise you, Mama, it will not fade in another 5 years. They guaranteed me that.
Well, if that is the only option, no problem.
It's my only option, Mama. It is.
Guy, how far?
Steve, how far now? What's up now? That man assured us that the ring will be ready before the end of today. Look, the time is almost 8 p.m. What's going on?
Yeah, I spoke with him and he said there was a little delay. But he assured me the ring will be available first thing tomorrow morning.
It had better be. I am serious, it had better be.
Calm down. Calm down, everything will be fine.
Baba, don't tell me to calm down. I'm not going to calm down. Things just got even worse.
Worse? How?
Stella is pregnant.
Whoa, congratulations, bro.
Bro, I will only say thank you to that compliment when the man sells the ring. If you know be that one, I beg no congratulate me again.
He will, don't worry.
No, don't even think about it. Don't congratulate me.
It's alright then. Have a good night.
No wala. Okay, sure. You say it's tomorrow, right? Tomorrow morning.
Yes, tomorrow morning.
I'll be waiting for you. Alright, take care.
Here it is. You see, it looks just like the original.
Wow. I try.
Good job, Nice one, man. When I...
Hey, Stella. Good morning.
How are you?
Very well.
This one you were in my house this early. I hope we are safe.
Sorry.
You're completely safe. I just needed to hand something over to Joe.
Wait, what's that?
Oh, and it's something just
Guys stuff.
guys, you know that kind of thing. With business.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay, so.
You won't invite him to have breakfast.
But babe, you know I'm not stingy.
Of course I know. Yeah, so ask him to have breakfast.
Okay, Steve, please, you have to sit and wait for 10 minutes to join us for breakfast.
I really wish I could wait, but I need to run along. There is something I really need to attend to.
He mentioned that.
It's just 10 minutes.
That's a long time for me. You know my job.
Yeah, bro.
So, bro, I will see you. I'll see you later.
No, nice one now. Later
Thank you.
now.
No
Sure.
issues.
All right, man.
Hey, how is Mama?
Oh, Mama, I'm sure she's still sleeping.
Yeah,
you know she hardly sleeps at night, so she sleeps almost when it's morning.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's fine. And Stella, you as well. You look amazing. Look beautiful this morning. As always. It's alright, bro. I'll see you.
All right, Steve, bye.
Take care. Safe, oh.
Don't let me, bro.
Bye.
Beautiful kid. This early morning. Is it because I'm wearing makeup? He's washing.
Which one is the wash? I want for you. Have you forgotten that when I met you, it was even in the morning without makeup? Don't forget.
You're just washing me.
No, this is not washed. I did tell you true. Don't worry, maybe we go up to the I show you how through I'm talking.
Babe, what are you saying? You and I shall day your eye. I beg you.
My eyes, as if you know like that. I beg you.
Hey, let me come make breakfast before my mother-in-law waits.
Oh, really? Your mother-in-law?
Yes.
Okay. So your mother-in-law now is important more than your husband.
Husband? Who husband help?
Okay, no worry. Mother-in-law will help you do that one.
No problem.
Hey! How did they talk about it? Well done. Just laugh on yourself, yeah? Okay, don't worry now. Nice one, well done, eh?
Baby,
Okay.
how are you?
I'm okay. And you?
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Your face is looking somehow. Why? You're so worried.
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your meal is ready.
Oh, okay.
Yes, baby. Let me freshen up, okay? I'm sweating, I'm so tired. Can you help me get this up?
Alright.
And your meal is ready.
Oh, that, yeah.
Babe, are you okay?
Huh?
Your hand is shaking.
Oh, this stuff, I don't know, it's kind of slippery.
Well, you've been the one taking it off for me.
I know, but I don't know what's...
Oh, easy. Alright, thank you, honey.
Yeah.
So I want to go shop upstairs. Let me go freshen up, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to take your bath with your ring on your finger?
Yes, baby. It's crystal diamond. It's not going to spoil. It's not washing. It's forever like this. Thank you. I love you.
How do I get that ring off her finger now? Hey.
Mommy.
You're cooking?
Yes, ma'am. I want to fry plantain.
That's nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Well done, though.
Thank you, ma'am. You want to drink water?
Yeah.
Room temperature. Cold one. Cold one. Okay, ma'am.
Well done.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll send you ready.
Okay, thank you.
Man, my brother, there's nothing I've not done. That woman never takes the ring off her finger. During sex, she has it on. Taking her bath, she has it on. When she's eating, she has it on. There is no time she takes that ring off her finger. I am tired. Nothing will never do.
In that case, you've got only one option.
Which is?
Drug her.
Drug her. Steve, you smoke it, boo. You don't colos. Are you okay? Have you forgotten she's pregnant? What if something happens to my unborn child?
Nothing will happen to her. I mean, have you forgotten I am a detective? We know substances that's completely harmless. I'll get you something to give her and then she'll doze off. Yeah.
Are you sure about this?
100% sure. The stuff is 100% safe. Where is this girl? Agnes! Agnes! Yeah, please, how much is our bill?
It's 3.5, sir.
3.5. Did you add the sauced snail?
Okay, plus that is 6.5.
What's the account number?
05
05 69
523.
Hey.
Hi, baby.
Hi, darling.
How are you? What took you so long?
I went to the store down the street to get groceries, but they were not open, so I headed uptown.
Oh, okay. But you got them now?
Yes, I did.
Alright, baby. Are you okay?
Yeah, sweetheart. Did you drink the juice I gave to you?
No, honey. I wanted, but Mommy said she wanted to have a taste of it, so I gave it to her, and she ended up finishing everything. I didn't drink it.
Oh.
Yes, baby. Mommy did.
Mama drank it?
Yes, baby. Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I love you, baby.
I love you more. I'm coming, okay?
Where are you going?
Let me know how Mama is doing.
Alright.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright, sleep tight, okay, baby?
Okay, baby. I just want to rest.